You ever look at a pair of sneakers, feel like they're more than just shoes? Like they're carrying history on their back, taking you from one era to another. That's exactly how I feel when I see the Caveman Jordan 4s. They're not just a pair of kicks, they're a time capsule. Let's take it back for a second. The Jordan 4 was born in 1989, crafted by Tinker Hatfield, the same design genius behind the Jordan 3. By then, the Jordan line wasn't just basketball gear. It was becoming culture. The 4 was the first Jordan to hit the shelves globally, making Michael Jordan a worldwide icon. And it wasn't just about looks. The design broke ground with mesh side panels, those unique plastic wings that let you lace to the ground however you wanted, and of course, that visible air unit in the heel. Performance met style, and together they sparked something timeless. Now picture this. Michael Jordan in the playoffs, 1989, down by 1 against the Cleveland Cavaliers. 3 seconds left on the clock. He rises up in his black cement fours. Craig Elo flying at him, and boom, the shot. The moment that etched the Jordan 4 into basketball history forever. Suddenly, these sneakers weren't just sneakers. They were a symbol of greatness. Fast forward more than 30 years. The Jordan 4 has been reimagined, re-released, and reinterpreted countless times. Cement, fire red, military blue. Each colorway has its own legacy. But then you get something different. Something that flips the whole concept on its head. The Caveman 4s. These aren't polished or flashy. They're raw, rugged, and primal. The textures look like cracked stone, like they've been pulled straight out of prehistoric caves. The box has a rough undertone to it and a rough outer coating to the feel. The earthy tones, the rough finishes. It's like Tinker's design collided with the earliest days of human creativity. You can almost imagine a caveman drawing a silhouette of the Jordan 4 on a rock wall next to the mammoth hut. What makes them so special is the story they tell. On one side, you have the legacy of the '89 Jordan 4, global expansion, innovation, and the rise of Michael Jordan as a legend. On the other, you have a design that feels ancient, tribal, striding back to survival itself. Together, it's a reminder that style, expression, and storytelling through what we wear, it's all been a part of us since the very beginning. So when you lace up a pair of the Caveman 4s, you're not just wearing sneakers. You're stepping into 2 timelines at once. The hardwood of the late 80s and the firelit caves 1,000 years ago. That's what makes them powerful. That's what makes them more than shoes. They're a living story, and every step you take in them keeps that history alive.